This is Peace, the Gypsy, checking in. It has been a minute. And that's a truck passing by. It has been a minute, and I just felt I wanted to share with you guys what I've been doing in Thailand and basically what my daily life is like. So we're gonna do like a little daily thingamajig, you know? Like I'm just gonna have you with me throughout the day. That's gonna be pretty fun, right? So right now I'm just on my balcony and it is about 9 a.m. and what you haven't seen is me getting up out of bed, looking atrocious, per usual, washing my face and washing my hair. That's basically all that's taken place in about the last 10 minutes or so. And it's really noisy. You hear all the noise on the street? It's crazy. But let's get this day started, shall we? Okay, so we are finished with our morning routine, our morning workout rather, and I'm headed downstairs to get some water because your girl is feeling thirsty and dehydrated, and I'm gonna start making some breakfast. So I'll go ahead and sit you guys outside. Welcome to the kitchen.
I'm crying in the rain. Never mind, it's gonna be okay.
I am sweating like crazy, you guys. So I don't know if you guys have listened to Cheetah's latest album, 28 Identity. That shit goes hard. Like, I literally listen to that album once a day. Like, it's pretty much a religion for me at this point. This is actually my favorite song on the album. But she has a lot of bangers. Like, I can listen to the whole album just straight through. I absolutely love it. Woo! It is hot as fuck. Hello. No, thank you. So we are out here at Surin Beach, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, the water is so blue. Kind of reminds me of Jamaica. So bye bye, goodbye, bye bye, goodbye, bye 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 bye, goodbye, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye. Okay, who is number one? Who is number one? Let's see. Rose. Rose, very good. No. Okay, Rose. Hello. Pink, yellow, green, orange. Okay, yellow. One yellow for Rose. Yay, very good. Okay, Bebe. Pink, yellow, green, orange. Okay, green. One green for Bebe. Yay, very good. Ivan. Pink, green, yellow, orange. Okay, yellow. One yellow for Ivan. Yay! Very good. I love you too. Okay, very good, class. I will see you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, they are so sweet. My kid just told me he loves me. Oh my gosh. They are so sweet. I hope I recorded. I hope I have that recorded. I can't tell because my screen is broken. But yeah, so I just taught one of my group classes and I have my stickers ready for them. I had Ivan, Bebe, which is a fun name to say, and Rose. And I'm about to teach another group class. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. But yeah, super fun. I love these guys.